let us provide a solution to this problem that we are given. It reads, find the variance and standard deviation for the data below. We are given x up to 10 and we are given the frequency also. Let's get started. See solution. Now the first thing that we have to do here, we just need to compute our table. Okay, so that's the first step that we have to do. We compute our table. Now we draw our table like this. This is the x values. We have this is the frequency, and this is fx, and the last column becomes fx square. Okay, now for the x, we write them the way we see them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, and we have 10. So this is our total columns. Okay, then for the frequency, we have 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, 25, 15, 10, and 5. Okay, then from this point, what are we to do next here? We multiply. You are going to multiply x and f for it to have fx. Then 1 times 2, this is 2. 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 5, this is 15. 4 times 10, 40. 5 times 15, it is 75. 6 times 30, 180. 7 times, this is 175. 8 times 15, 120. Then 9 times 9, 10, it is 19. 10 times 5, 15. Okay, then this column, we know the only difference between fx, the only difference between fx and fx squared, just like it is the square, that is the only difference. But now in this case, now we are going to create another column, that is x square column. Then if you want to have the x square column, you just need to square all these numbers. That is 1 square giving you 1, 2 square it is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, we say 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square this is 81, and 10 square it is 100. Okay, then for you to have fx square, now we are going to multiply. Don't square this. If you square this column, you are going to fail. Now what I need to do, you just need to multiply the f columns and the x. This column for you to have fx square, this is what we want to have. We multiplied this x square and the f, meaning 2 times 1, this is 2. Okay, multiplied. So 3 times 4, this is 12. That's why I use another pen for you to see. 5 times 9, this is 45. And you see 10 times 16, this is 160. 15 times 25, 375. Then 30 times 36, 1080. 25 times 49, 1225. Then multiplying 15 by 64, giving you 960. Then 10 times 81 is 810. Then 5 times 100, giving you 500. Okay, you need to multiply them. Then the next column, in this case, we are going to add. Let's add the frequency. This is sigma f. Adding this one, we are going to have 120. Add these columns, it is 120. Then let's add also, this is sigma fx. Let's add this column. If you add this column, you are going to have 753. Let us add also this column. Adding this column, we call it sigma fx square. Okay, now this becomes 5169. Okay, now from this point, what I need to do next, we just need to apply our formulas. Remember, we want to find the standard deviation and the variance. But we say variance is equals sigma x fx square divided by sigma f minus the mean square. Okay, this is the formula to find the variance. Now from this, you substitute right away. What is sigma fx square? That is this. You are given it as 5169. We divide this also by sigma f. It is given as 120 minus the mean. In this case, we are not having the mean yet, but let's find the mean. Now let us find the mean here from this point. But we know mean. We say mean is equal sigma fx divided by sigma f. So this is equals, we say mean is equals. What is sigma fx? Sigma fx is given as 753 divided by 120. Then if you divide, you can see the mean becomes, now let us divide, becomes 6.275. So this is the mean. Now to find the variance, we use this mean to subtract now. This mean, we say this is 6.275 square. Okay, then if you square in it, automatically this becomes, we can say our variance becomes 3.7 respectively. So this is our variance that we have to find in respect to the problem that we are given. Then Roman 2, we want to find the standard deviation. Let's do it here. Let's say this is Roman 2, the standard deviation. But we know standard deviation is equal to the square root of the variance. Then what is the variance? We know variance is given as 3.7. Then we say this becomes the square root of 3.7. Then 3.7 here becomes, so standard deviation becomes 3.7, giving you 1.92 respectively. So it means this is the standard deviation that we have to find in respect to the problem that we are given. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.